Struggling with false breakouts and choppy markets? What if you could trade breakout zones with built-in trend confirmation every time? This is the Kumo Cross Trading Strategy, a trend-based system using the Ichimoku cloud, especially the Kumo cloud and Senkou Span crossovers, to time entries. Buy setup. 1. Price is above the Ichimoku cloud. Trend is bullish. 2. Leading span. A cross is above leading span B. The cloud turns bullish. 3. Tenkan crosses above Kijun inside or above the cloud. Momentum confirms. 4. Enter buy on the candle close after the Tenkan Kijun cross. Sell. Setup. 1. Price is below the cloud. Trend is bearish. 2. Leading span. A cross is below leading span B. The cloud turns bearish. 3. Tenkan crosses below Kijun inside or below the cloud. Bearish momentum. 4. Enter sell on candle close after confirmation. The Kumo acts like dynamic support, chi resistance, so you're trading with trend structure, not against it. Use the cloud thickness as a volatility gauge. Thick cloud, strong trend, thin cloud, weak. Always place your stop loss just beyond the opposite edge of the cloud, and never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. This strategy helps you catch real trend entries with built-in confirmation. Grab the free indicators and templates at forexmt4indicators.com and trade smarter today.